3,418 maximum amount of money robot can earn. How it works. Dynamic programming with 3D state. Track. Position I, J, and number of neutralizations used 0, 1, or 2. State definition DPJ, T equals maximum coins at column J using T neutralizations. 2 choices at each negative cell. Take the penalty, add negative value, neutralize it. Add 0, use 1 neutralization rolling array optimization. Only keep current and previous row instead of entire grid. Process row by row. For each cell, consider paths from top and left, with or without neutralization. Key insights, space efficiency. Use only ON space instead of OM times N by keeping just 2 rows, previous and current. Track neutralization count. Each state tracks how many neutralizations were used to get there, 0, 1, or 2. Greedy won't work. Can't just neutralize the 2 most negative values, their positions on valid paths matter. Choice modeling at negative cell with T neutralizations remaining. Option 1, take penalty right pointing arrow DP previous T plus val. Option 2, neutralize right pointing arrow DP previous T1 plus 0 neg underscore INF sentinel, marks unreachable states, prevents invalid transitions. Time, OM times N times 3 equals OM times N. Space, ON times 3 equals ON. The algorithm finds the optimal path by considering all possible ways to use or not use the 2 neutralizations allowed.